Motorcycles for Beginners, the Ultimate Guide. Yamaha FZ-07. The Yamaha FZ-07, now known as the MT-07 in most markets, is a versatile, lightweight, and beginner-friendly motorcycle that has become a favorite among new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Renowned for its balance of performance, affordability, and approachability, the FZ-07 is a fantastic choice for riders starting their motorcycling journey. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Yamaha FZ-07 is a 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine featuring Yamaha's crossplane concept design. This engine produces 74 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque, delivering a lively yet manageable power band perfect for beginners. The linear throttle response and torquey nature of the engine make it ideal for city commutes, twisty backroads, and even highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission is smooth and precise, offering a user-friendly experience for riders learning to shift gears. Despite its impressive performance capabilities, the FZ-07 remains approachable, allowing new riders to grow into its potential as they build confidence and skills. Comfort and ergonomics. The Yamaha FZ-07 is designed to be comfortable for riders of all experience levels. Its upright seating position, wide handlebars, and slightly rear-set foot pegs provide a natural and neutral posture that reduces fatigue on longer rides. With a seat height of 805 mm (31.7 inches) and a lightweight frame weighing just 182 kilograms (400 pounds), the FZ-07 is easy to handle and maneuver, even for shorter riders or those new to motorcycles. The bike's agility and stability inspire confidence, making it an excellent option for navigating traffic or practicing basic riding techniques. Features and technology. The Yamaha FZ-07 comes equipped with features that make it both practical and exciting for beginners. Digital instrument cluster. The LCD display provides key information, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip meters, in a clear and straightforward layout. Lightweight frame. The compact, tubular steel frame contributes to the bike's nimbleness and responsive handling. Dual disc brakes with ABS, optional. The powerful braking system offers excellent stopping power, with ABS available in certain models for added safety. Why it's a great choice. The Yamaha FZ-07 is a standout beginner motorcycle because it bridges the gap between entry-level bikes and more advanced machines. It's easy to ride, fun to handle, and versatile enough to accommodate a variety of riding styles and scenarios. Whether commuting, enjoying weekend rides, or venturing into longer tours, the FZ-07 delivers an exhilarating experience that remains manageable for new riders. For those ready to embark on their motorcycling journey, the Yamaha FZ-07 is an ideal companion, offering the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and fun.